Hello everyone. So in today's video, I will show you guys how to deposit money on Prizepicks. So first, you can either deposit via Visa or Discover credit or debit cards. So to do that, just click on the Visa or Discover tab on the Prizepicks deposit page and then enter your card info. And then if you're using a MasterCard or American Express card, you'll have to deposit it via PayPal by following the instructions below. So if you have a MasterCard or American Express, just use PayPal and then just follow these steps right here. So you can do an instant bank transfer, existing PayPal balance, bank through PayPal using your desktop, and then bank account through PayPal using your mobile app. So just follow these steps. So for the bank transfer, just input your deposit amount and then click the instant bank transfer and then select your bank and then type in your banking details and then select the bank account you'd like to connect to Prizepicks and then confirm the deposit. For existing PayPal balance, navigate to the Prizepicks deposit page and click on the PayPal tab and then deposit your selected amount using your PayPal account balance. So for bank account through PayPal, on the desktop version, open up PayPal and then log in your account, click on wallet, click on link bank account, select your bank account, and then if you see an option to instantly link your account, click it. If not, follow the instructions on PayPal to manually link your account and then navigate back to the Prizepicks deposit page and click the PayPal portal. And then just complete your deposit and then you can now start playing. So for the mobile version, download the PayPal app and then log in. Once you're logged in, tap on wallets, tap on banks, and then log in your online banking or fill in your bank account info manually. And then once you're done, navigate back to the Prizepicks deposit page and click the PayPal portal, confirm your deposit, and then start playing. So yeah, that is pretty much it on how to deposit money on Prizepicks. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.